Welcome back to Autopedia, where we dive into the latest in automotive news, features, and reviews. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Ford F-150, a truck that continues to set the bar for full-size pickups, especially when it comes to its exterior design, performance, and features. Let's dive right in. When you first lay eyes on the 2025 F-150, it's clear that Ford hasn't strayed too far from the rugged, bold design that made this truck iconic, but make no mistake, there are plenty of updates that elevate the F-150's presence on the road. From its athletic stance to its aggressive front end, the new F-150 looks ready for anything. Let's start up front with the grille. The 2025 F-150 comes with a new, more pronounced grille design that really emphasizes its strength and durability. Depending on the trim, you'll find various grille finishes, including chrome, matte black, or even a more industrial look for the Raptor variant. The grille design is wider and integrates seamlessly with the new LED headlights, which are sharper and more angular, giving the truck a high-tech look. Moving to the side profile, Ford has refined the body lines to give the F-150 a more sculpted, muscular appearance. The prominent wheel arches add to the truck's tough image, while the character lines along the doors and sides highlight the truck's modern design sensibility. The 2025 F-150 also offers a variety of wheel options, ranging from more utilitarian designs to aggressive, off-road ready options, depending on the model and trim you choose. At the back, the 2025 F-150 continues to feature the strong, square tailgate that's a hallmark of the truck's identity, but with some modern tweaks. The tailgate now integrates better with the rear bumper and features a more streamlined design, which not only looks more refined but also improves aerodynamics. New for 2025, the tailgate can also be equipped with an integrated step for easier access to the bed, a feature that's perfect for those who need to load and unload gear frequently. Speaking of the bed, the 2025 F-150 offers multiple bed lengths, with the option for Ford's innovative PowerBoost hybrid engine also providing an onboard generator. This makes the truck not just a workhorse but a mobile power station. The bed also retains Ford's signature tough, spray-in bed liner, and optional features like the tailgate work surface and integrated tie-downs make loading and securing gear even easier. Performance is just as much a part of the F-150's exterior design as its looks. Whether you opt for the off-road-oriented F-150 Raptor or the more refined King Ranch, the exterior design plays a huge role in its capability. The Raptor, for example, boasts wider fenders, skid plates, and beefier tires, designed to handle tough terrains with ease. The 2025 F-150 offers better aerodynamics across all trims as well, thanks to the redesigned grille, active shutters, and improved underbody paneling. All of this enhances performance, fuel efficiency, and overall capability. In the end, the 2025 Ford F-150 represents the perfect balance between rugged capability and modern design. Whether you're tackling a tough job, going off-road, or just cruising down the highway, the exterior of this truck has been engineered to command attention. Ford continues to lead the charge in pickup truck innovation, and the 2025 F-150 is proof of that. Thanks for watching our deep dive into the exterior of the 2025 Ford F-150. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Autopedia. Until next time, keep your engines running and your wheels turning.